Oh, what's up, guys? Look at this. Crazy, insane wind again today. I was gonna do some milling today because I thought, well, it can't be any worse than yesterday. And honestly, I'm afraid to undo some stuff. That's kind of the drawback to this carport style thing, is the wind, and it has been bad here lately. So I don't know, maybe tomorrow, although we are supposed to have snow flurries tomorrow, but that's all right. I got some things I got to get done. I got to get this mill going, and I have a bunch of stuff I got to do a cut sheet for. All right, I'm out. Thanks.